Alright, so here we are. New day, new video. Come on now. Man, interrupting the clip. Anyways, so here we are. We're with Telmo. This is his car. Man's got the Civic Sport, got full bolt-ons, and he just got this in. Which is dope. It's an Invidia exhaust. Thing looks sick, dude. Full, I think Cat Back, right? Yeah, right. Not tripping. Yeah, Cat Back exhaust. Nice and clean. We're about to install it right now. Just filmed the before clip, the cold start to the before clip, and we're about to get to installing it. I'm sure there's many videos out there of installation. I don't know. We're gonna do like how to install.
Actually, there's not that many.
No?
I just found it like one. All the other ones are like sound clips.
Sound clip? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know if we should. We'll probably, show how to like, if we run into any complications that others might run into, then we'll point it out. But for the most part, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty straightforward. So we'll get to it right now, and then show some meaty clips whenever we're making progress. So we'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, so we're good. I'm surprised you didn't put it on the rack.
Because I found another pickup point.
YouTube content. You already know the voice. Yeah, this would be good content if it kills me. Oh shit.
Slide it. Wait.
Oh, hold on.
Back up.
Okay, now you gotta drop.
Back up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Watch out. What you hit?
I got it. Don't worry. Oh, nice. Now you just gotta get the thingy out of the way.
Got that?
Yeah, you gotta drop it though.
I think that's cool.
Yeah?
We just need to slide it back.
Oh,
Alright. Ready?
Yep. Hold on. Oh, woo. There you go. Oh my god.
Wait, let it. Yeah, there.
Alright, hold on. Let me get out.
Alright, let's compare the stock exhaust to the new one. So here you go, the stock one.
It's one full piece. I'm not gonna lie, kind of And the cock block, but it's all good. Would have been nice if it was at least 2.
And here's the Invidia one.
Damn, bro. What is this? Oh, yeah.
That's OEM, yeah.
This hit right here?
Yeah.
That shit looks easy. Dude, this thing looks so dope. Like I said, we're gonna have to wipe it down because fingerprints. We don't want those on there, you know, because we gotta keep it nice and shiny, even though it's under the car. But you know, whenever
But
you
yeah.
put that on the lid.
So what you want to do to take the OEM exhaust out, you have in the back side, you have these two right here. On the other side, these two right here. In the back, this one, going down to the mid pipe. You have this one, and then you disconnect take out the 3 bolts right here.
Also,
and it should be out.
Last job. Sorry for the interruption, but buy yourself one of these.
To make your life easier, use this and some WD-40 we didn't, but
it was still pretty easy, honestly. The hardest part was getting this thing out of the actual rubber piece, like the exhaust hanger. But the exhaust hanger removed to life-changing. I'll just say it's just putting it back on the hanger. It's gonna be,
all right.
You know, questionable. God damn, Gangster. It's just nice as
All right, so for the Invidia exhaust, so you're gonna install these hangers right here. They come with exhaust. Use the hardware right here, this side, and this hanger right here. It's this side right here. I'm gonna put that first, then this pipe right here that goes right after the front pipe, and this is the middle pipe. What you want to use, the gaskets. This one right here goes here, and these other 2 is for that side and that side right here. All right, you get all the hardware, and that should be all. Let's do it.
All right, here we are. Just finished up. About to do. Well, yeah, about to do a cold start because he started earlier, but you know, car cooled down obviously. So big moments right here, huge moments. This is about to sound so dope. It looks so sick. Invidia exhaust for Civic Sport 2017 or like the 10 Gen Civic Sports. I don't know if the SIs and the Type Rs are different under, but for the fitment and for like the 10 Gen Sports, dude, that's really solid. Like it stays on there really good. So big ups on you, Invidia. We love that for us. So that was huge. The install was pretty easy too. Like it was actually pretty self-explanatory. It has 3 pieces, so it made it a lot easier. Tip: put the pipe that's by the front pipe and then the exhaust tip first, and then put the mid pipe after. It makes it a lot easier. So we're about to start it up.
1, 2, 3.
That sounds pretty good. That sounds good, dude. That's pretty nice. Nice OEM plus sound, you know? Nothing too loud, nothing too, you know, too cop attractive. It's pretty dope. You know, it's, when you want, it's a 6-speed, so whenever you want to, you know, drive in the city and not to make too much noise and all, you keep it low RPMs, and it's actually pretty nice. It's not like too loud. Higher rev sounds good enough. We'll clean all this up and then take her out for a drive.